Hey, what's up guys? So right here I have the Flamingo razors. Ordered from their website, the Flamingo. There was a coupon for the T-Mobile Tuesday gifts. Basically, they give you like free stuff or stuff like that. So this one had a coupon. It was $10. So far they look good. So I want to show you guys a little bit open in the box and all type of stuff. And we'll try it out, see how it works. Let my wife try it out. And I will give an update of the video on how good it is and how bad it is. So it comes very nice, packed. No issue. Love how it looks. You can also see right there, body care for everyone. The way it's packed is awesome. Love it so much so far. Okay, so that's the package itself. So like I said, I would do an unboxing and then I'll give you an update video on how good they are or how bad it is. So let's get it open. See what it comes with. So you have your two blades. You can see that it is a 5-blade. Oh, there it is, sorry. It is a 5-blade, okay? You also have a little suction cup so you can hang the blade up in the shower or whichever you want to hang it. They also give you a little shaving cream. They got different things on their website. And let me tell you something. Their shipping is awesome because I ordered about 2 days ago and I got it in that quick. Okay, so you can see here they have different handles. I'm going to get this to my wife so she can try it out. And I'll let you guys know how it works. The handle is very nice. They have, I think, 3 different colors. I decided to get the bright one. So if you decide to hang it this side up, you put your blade right in there and you hang it up. So this is the blade itself. Very, very nice. And their shipping is amazing, quick. So in a couple days whatsoever, I will do another update of this shaver and let you know how good it is. So far it looks awesome. Well, I'll be back with another video.